Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. This right here is Atari's Flashback Portable. First of all, the box that it came in looks nice, but the box itself is not nice. How the Atari, this little handheld console, was presented, I didn't really like it because this is Atari. I would want it in like a metal box or in a nicer box, you know. But it is what it is. I guess that's what you get for 50 bucks. Now let's talk about the build quality. This device is made out of plastic, which means it is light, but that does not mean this is like a cheap device that's gonna break right away, because it does feel durable in a way. You know, like the Game Boys and the game consoles back in the day, how they were made out of plastic, but you know, they were pretty much indestructible. This is kind of how it feels like, and it also feels like a knockoff handheld gaming system, but it's Atari Flashback Portable we got here with 80 games. Okay. Another thing you can do with this device is that charge it using a micro USB charging cable. You can connect it to your TV even, and you can also plug in your headphones. Oh, and it also looks like you can even put cartridges in it, which I don't have. So this device has a 2.8-inch LCD display that yeah, nonetheless you can play games and the color actually looks nice on it. The game that I've been playing a lot is of course Frogger. Pac-Man, not so much because the D-pad doesn't really work with this and I die a lot. It's not really a fun device to play Pac-Man in, but Frogger, it's definitely fun. The graphics on this shouldn't be an issue because it definitely looks good. Frogger looks good on this. Pac-Man kind of looks okay. It has this weird flashing thing that goes on. And then Asteroid is also fun. So most of these games I couldn't figure out how to play besides Frogger and Pac-Man and Asteroids. Those are the 3 games I know, and there's 80 games in total, so it's a lot of games you can play. Now this device is not for someone who's looking to upgrade their gaming system or have an amazing gaming system. This is more for people who actually know about Atari or have played old school games that want to, you know, bring the feels back, if that makes sense. So yeah, that about wraps up this video. What was the first ever game you played? For me, I think it was Doom, or I gotta think about it, but let me know.